In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Docusign accounts. It's a straightforward process, and by the end of this guide, you'll be navigating through it like a pro. So let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to head over to Docusign's website. It's the leading platform for electronic signatures and agreement management, making it a powerful tool for your document management needs. Once you're there, look for the login button, which is usually prominently displayed on the homepage. You'll need to enter your login credentials, your email and password to access your account. This step ensures that you're securely logged into your account before making any changes. After you've logged in, direct your attention to the Docusign homepage. This will be your main dashboard where you can manage your documents and account settings. Next, you'll need to locate the Admin tab. This is typically found navigating through your account settings or admin panel, providing a centralized place for all your account configurations and integrations. Here's where the exciting part begins. Once you're in the admin section, find and click on Connect. This feature allows you to integrate with other applications and streamline your workflows, a crucial step for linking your accounts. Now click on Add Configuration. This option lets you create a new connection, setting you up to link your Docusign account seamlessly. The next step is to navigate to the Profile section. Here you can manage your account details and settings. This section is essential because it's where you'll ensure your profile is set up correctly to support multiple accounts or configurations. Right after, you'll want to visit My Preferences. Customizing these preferences allows you to tailor your Docusign experience to suit your specific needs and enhance efficiency. Carry on by selecting Contacts. This menu is crucial for managing the people and businesses you interact with using Docusign. It's especially handy if you're collaborating with different teams or departments. Finally, you need to hit Add Contact. Doing this allows you to input and save the details of new contacts that will be integral to your newly linked accounts. And there you have it. In just a few clicks, you've successfully navigated through linking your Docusign accounts. By following these simple steps, you'll be ready to make the most out of your Docusign experience, linking accounts and contacts with ease. Make sure to explore additional features and settings to further optimize your electronic documentation processes. Keep practicing these steps and soon they'll become second nature, enhancing your productivity and efficiency in managing digital agreements. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful guides like this one. Happy document managing!